I have read many books with DevOps and DevOps security, but they actually never helped me. Hello everyone, I am Sachin Agarwal. I have some exciting news to share with you. Do you know how continuous security plays an important role in DevOps? Are you securing your pipelines? Are you following the right approach of security or enabling the security at every stage of DevOps? I have got answer for all these questions in my second book, which is Mastering DevOps with Continuous Security. In this book, you will learn how to seamlessly integrate security into your DevOps processes. So if you are serious about securing your pipelines or putting continuous security into your DevOps team or into your DevOps lifecycle, buy this book today, which is available on Amazon, as well as the link is shared in the description below. I'm excited to hear the feedback from you guys. Thank you. Let's elevate DevOps together and skill up with Sachin.